fucking stop signs! I'm freaking out! I'm just gonna keep going. Nobody
This is my friend Julia driving.
We're just gonna keep driving.
We're just gonna keep going.
And if somebody wants to crash into us, they're more than welcome. Skeet, skeet, motherfuckers.
Hi, welcome to my channel and this horrible camping trip I'm about to go on.
Get ready for death.
Percy's stupid, so he couldn't come.
Yeah.
But I have this one instead.
Oh, you're so fucked.
We're gonna die.
I didn't even look at that light. That's a good thing that light was green.
I'm gonna die.
Where the fuck
In this goddamn car. I wanted to die in a Mercedes or a Rolls Royce, but no, it's
you
this
were gonna
one.
die in a 2004 Dodge Neon. That has very few miles on it, might I add.
Which is surprising, since this is a used car.
It only has 36,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
From 2004.
It's pretty good.
That's fucking amazing. Excuse you. That's not pretty good. It was my grandmother's car.
You didn't drive them.
My grandmother's dead.
Yep. Yay. Anyway, we're up camping by Mount Hood.
Who are these fucking rednecks?
I'm drunk. Why are you driving?
This is my car.
That's true. This is your car. But like, as you can see, I got a new haircut. I have a new friend.
I've been their friend for like 2 years. 3 years?
3 years.
We just came into class and I was like, I sort of know you. And became best friends.
No, like seriously, perfectly honest. We literally like met at the beginning of sophomore year. 1 month in, our teacher was like, oh my god, you guys are like so close. Like you guys must have known each other forever. We knew each other for like a month. That was it.
Yeah.
We met through a mutual friend, Percy.
Poor Mr. Rizzo.
Poor Mr. Rizzo.
Yeah.
R.I.P.
He's not dead. He's not dead. Regan, what have you done?
He's not dead.
He was at our graduation.
He tried to sneak into our graduation.
I think he did sneak in.
Yeah, he did. With his old ID.
What should? Yeah, I mean, yeah. And they're,
Yeah.
yeah.
Although it's like very pretty around here. They're like this mixture of like actual buildings and then like farmhouses and stuff.
Yeah,
Like
it's
what the hell is that?
Pretty, but it's fucking. Oh look, a cemetery. But it's
Oh, that's pretty.
redneck. And I hate rednecks. Sorry, redneck fans.
Oh, there's a weird place called Nobies. Nobi. Nobi. Bye.
Fucking turds.
Bye and ready to die.
I need to eat mace.
Ace and ready to eat Ace.
Yep.
Bye and ready to die.
Ace and ready to eat mace.
What are like the other ones though?
In 2 miles.
I mean like just gay and ready to slay, but like just not like death.
No. Unless it's slaying themselves.
True.
Oh no. Oh no.
Gay and ready to slay.
The people who I know that most want to kill themselves are like bi and pan, not gay or straight.
True. What's the pan one then?
I don't. Pan's already there.
Like Ace and bi could easily fit into a lot of this, but like pan, that's
Don't
an
need
old
no
school
man.
bus. Like what?
Pan. I'm trying to think of
Pan.
weapon names.
They're shipped with kitchen utensils.
Pan and ready to just be shoved into a dishwasher.
Shoved into a dishwasher.
And that's if you're pansexual, that's how you're gonna die. Twin Peaks.
Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my god.
Twin Peaks. Oh, I'm such a big Twin Peaks fan. So much. Oh my god.
Well, I should pay attention to where I'm
Oh
going.
my god, that should be like my backup cosplay for like anything. Just Dale Cooper.
Yep. I mean,
Seriously. That's it. Dale Cooper. I'm Dale Cooper.
I'm nothing.
You're just like, I'm nothing. Ooh.
Here we go.
There we go. Anyway, next time I'll probably
There's a
One
mountain.
mile, turn right onto the highway.
Don't tell me what to do. McCurdy's farm.
McCurdy's.
McCurdy.
McCurdy.
Welcome to McCurdy's. Can I take your order?
I like a McCurdy burger. I can't. Anyway, next time I'll probably be either up at the campsite or like, thanks, Julia.
Do you not smell that horrible smell?
I
no,
know
that's-
I do.
Yeah. Get fucked.
Anyway, next time.
Smell fucked.
This is gonna be such a blurred out thing. Anyway, anyway, next time you'll see me, it'll probably be at the campsite or
Yes.
later on this drive with me getting bored. So.
That's very fair. Just awkward in general.
Okay, we finally are at the camping area and we just encountered a crazy person, right?
Fucking
That pretty much sums it up. I am like kind of prepared for camping because turns out it's much hotter than like I thought it would be, and I literally packed like jeans and sweaters. So,
Hey, we'll
but-
survive.
I'll live. If I really need something, I'll probably end up buying a t-shirt from the store, probably with Bigfoot on it.
Where is
But, like-
my mother?
Your mom's gone. She died.
Thank God. No offense, Mom. I love you. But thank God.
It's very hot out here.
You're
And I'm
also wearing a
tired.
sweatshirt.
I am wearing a sweatshirt. It's a cropped one, but it's a sweatshirt.
Like, we weren't even being mean. We were just being awkward.
Yeah, we didn't want to talk to her. It's just,
She came out swearing.
mm-hmm.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine.
Down because I want it all.
And nope, there's no service.
Yep, this is gonna be a fun weekend. See ya. So we're about to go hike around this huge lake over here. It's going to be exhausting. The guy at the place said it was going to be like an hour and a half, I believe. So it's going to be a long hike. I am kind of ready. I mean, I'm in hiking shoes. You can see that, like, down there. So hopefully I'm fully prepared for hiking this long. And hopefully it doesn't get dark before we're done. Cosplay stuff might happen on this trip. I don't know when or how. We're gonna spend probably a lot of time in the lake. So, catch you guys later. So, we didn't go as far as we wanted to on the hike. We wanted to go around the lake, but we didn't end up doing that because we got tired. I'm not like athletic at all. So, we're back in the tent. We're about to have dinner. The sun is still out. It's really pretty here. Hopefully I'm able to survive the next couple of days. Julia is taking a picture of this interesting bridge right here. What do you think of the bridge, Julia?
It's interesting.
Awesome.
I gotta get the angles.
All the angles, all the pretty angles. Had to make sure it's for that aesthetic.
That aesthetic.
Exactly. Julia is still taking pictures on the bridge. She is crouched down, trying to get the perfect shot right there. Well, it looks really pretty out there. It's hard to see because of all the, well, sunlight. But
All the sun.
all the sunlight, no! But it's very pretty. And there's a lot of people out there.
Is there a lot of people?
Well, there's people that are like near
There's
us.
Like 2 people out there reading.
I see like 2 there, and then there's 2 closer.
Oh God.
Oh my god, there's so many people. It's 5 people are a crowd in any space. So, yeah,
People.
humans. Oh no.
Oh, I'm gonna get this other sweet angle.
We gotta get all the aesthetic down.
We need a water bottle. Why? What are you doing? I'm the director now. Okay, and go faster. Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think I got some good stuff in there. I took like 50, so
Usually-
there better be something in there.
That was
better
her
show it.
water bottle. So if anyone gets dehydrated.
Don't you have like a ginger ale in there too?
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah. Always pick up your shit.
advice from
And your
Julia.
plastic.
Plastic, isn't it basically shit of the earth?
No. It's shit of people.
Well, yes.
Yeah,
By
like
the
the
earth, I
earth
meant
and
people.
die. Okay,
Manager
across
or
this,
forest ranger.
across the path from this kind of cool dock area is this creepy house.
Are we gonna trespass again, even though it says no trespassing?
Yep,
Awesome.
there's
That's
this
my favorite
creepy
thing to
house, and I don't know what's up with it, but kind of one of the things I'm more freaked out about is that this perfect outlet for a window.
Doesn't have a window.
Yeah, it doesn't have a window.
That's a bit. Oh, I think it does. I think that lifts up
Okay, that
because you can
makes
see
more
the
better
cutout.
sense.
That's still creepy though.
It's really scary. But anyway, this is the house we found.
Oh, there's a shed. It's locked though, and then
Oh.
more windows that aren't windows.
So what do you think of the house?
I like it. It's also very, sort of, not quite. It's very diamond-esque.
Yeah. Diamond-esque.
If we're dead, you won't see this video. So.
This is actually like one of those found footage videos.
Wow.
Like
What were these stupid kids doing before they got killed?
exploring this house.
Yeah, even though there's a sign that said
No trespassing. Look at this little outlet we found. There's like kind of a lot of trash here. But like, thank you, Julia, for the amazing information we definitely needed right now. Anyway, this little outlet we.
Idiot.
Yes, you're an idiot.
That makes sense. That's fair.
We found this little outlet. It's kind of cute. It's pretty similar to the other ones, but there's more trash here. So, what are you? Yep,
Now it floats.
floats. It's gone. No. Did you?
It'd be cool if it washed up at the other side of the lake.
That would be cool. Yeah.
This isn't like a strenuous hike.
This is very much not a strenuous hike. So when I went to Crater Lake,
Mm-hmm.
walking back up from where the lake is to where the parking lot is a mile uphill.
You.
And it's so like annoying. This is just pretty much mostly flat. Couple highs and lows, but it's pretty good. Like, not strenuous. A lovely hour and a half walk.
It would be great if I could blast my music right now.
Oh, that would be brilliant, but
Yeah.
it disturbs families. So, we can't exactly do that. Anyway, this has been a lovely hike. Maybe we'll go out on the water. Who knows? It's kind of cold. So, I'll catch you guys later.
Just ignore the fact that we nearly died.
Just completely ignore that fact.
I'm just suing. Just stay away. Stay away.
Anyway, we're on our way back. It's like 9 o'clock. We're just kind of tired.
I'm not tired.
Caffeine.
I'm wide awake. We also did nearly just die.
Yeah, we almost just died.
To be fair, I intentionally made that decision.
Intentional death.
Yes.
Isn't it like
Suicide?
suicide?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, to be fair, it's me.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you slowing down so freaking much?
Anyway, we're on our way back. I'm really tired at least. I have coffee, so that's good. And we are finally about to enter the land of cell service.
Not really.
Kinda. I mean,
Well, we're
Hood
gonna-
River.
We're gonna enter it in Hood River, and then we're gonna lose it in the gorge. Oh, look, cows.
Oh, cows.
Right? Oh, there's some babier cows. If I ever got a cow, I'd name it Mr. Moo Moo, no matter the gender.
Mr. Mumu?
Yeah.
Solid name.
Thank you. I always think so. But now, if I had a horse, that'd be something else.
Well, what'd you name the horse, though?
Oh, so many things. Let's see. There's Tater Tot.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Tater Tot Jr. There's What the Fuck Man. Because you know horses have to have weird names.
Yeah.
Yeah. So spelled with 2 C's.